Alright, so this is the best helmet I think you can get off Amazon for cheap. And there's a few reasons why I think this. For one, the color looks great. The the vents look great too on this helmet. Looks like a Power Ranger helmet. Comes with the owner's manual. There's not really any good instructions, but this it comes in a nice bag. But the reason I would call this the best helmet is because for one reason only. Now, I've had a pretty big issue with like visors and stuff driving at night. So you can either, on my old helmet, you can either like take off the visor here and put on a clear one at night, or you can just pop open the tinted visor and put on, your glasses or safety goggles. But that, I don't like doing that. So in the day, when I want to have a visor so I don't get any sun in my face, I've never seen a helmet like this before, but look at this little sunlight and moonlight, and boom, that drops down. That's unbelievable. This is only I think it was like $40 or something off Amazon. I'll have to put the link in the description. But yeah, Alright, my motor junkies. So I found out one more thing about this helmet. You can actually lift up the whole visor, so you can make it a half helmet. See, like that. You press this red button right here. This will all pull back down. That's crazy. I've never seen anything like this, and it's for cheap. Like, that's crazy. Forgot to say, it fits a little tight. XL should be pretty big on me, but it's pretty tight on me. That's awesome. So I really recommend getting this helmet. They have it in like a whole bunch of different other colors. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. Merry Christmas. Peace.